Then I lost 7 pounds the next month. Then I lost 7 pounds the next month. I lost 7 pounds every month for 7 months. It's like I had to throw away all my clothes. I went back to the same weight that I was when I was 26.
The carnivore diet isn't just another trend. It's a metabolic switch that obliterates cravings, melts away fat, and turns your body into a high-performance machine. But before you jump in, you need to know exactly why this works and how to maximize your results. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming next. With a diet high in carbs and sugar, the body gets lazy. It relies on those quick energy sources and completely forgets about burning fat. Every time carbs enter the system, insulin spikes, signaling the body to store fat instead of using it. The result? Fat accumulation, energy crashes, and constant hunger. The carnivore diet changes everything. When there are no carbs or sugars coming in, the body has no choice but to tap into its fat reserves. That's when rapid weight loss kicks in. You're literally burning fat for fuel instead of just storing it. Once insulin levels drop, metabolism shifts gears. Instead of running on sugar highs and crashes, the body operates in a steady fat loss mode, using stored fat for energy all day long. Many notice that their cravings disappear, their energy remains stable, and their body composition transforms at a shocking rate. This isn't some slow, painful process. It's burn fat fast on autopilot. And the best part, no need for calorie counting or suffering through constant hunger. Just eat meat, let your body do the work, and watch the transformation happen. Ever wonder why eating a steak leaves you full for hours, but a bowl of pasta has you raiding the fridge an hour later? That's the power of a high-protein diet. Protein triggers satiety hormones, signaling to the brain that the body has had enough. Unlike carbs, which cause energy spikes and crashes, meat provides steady, long-lasting fuel. This is why people on the carnivore diet often find themselves eating fewer meals without even trying. It's just natural. No more obsessive snacking, no more blood sugar roller coasters, just real satisfying food. But here's the catch. Protein alone isn't enough. Since the body is no longer using sugar for energy, it needs fat. That's why eating fatty cuts of meat is crucial. Without enough dietary fat, the body can struggle to keep up. At first, stored fat will be the main energy source, fueling rapid weight loss. But once those reserves start depleting, the body needs a steady supply of fat from food to keep the engine running. That's why ribeye, ground beef, and fatty cuts are so effective. They provide both protein for muscle maintenance and fat for fuel. When protein and fat are balanced correctly, cravings disappear, energy remains steady, and fat loss happens effortlessly. This isn't just about cutting carbs, it's about rewiring the body to burn fat as its primary energy source, creating a true body transformation without the constant struggle of hunger. Sugar is sneaky. It hooks people in, spikes their dopamine, and keeps them coming back for more. That's why breaking free from carb addiction isn't just about willpower, it's about resetting the body. On the carnivore diet, this reset happens fast. With no sugar or carbs to rely on, the body is forced to switch gears, burning fat instead of glucose. At first, this can feel like withdrawal, low energy, headaches, maybe even mood swings. But here's the key. Resisting temptation is crucial. Giving in to sugar, even a little, can restart the cycle, causing insulin spikes and delaying results. The more consistent someone is, the faster the body adapts, and the sooner rapid weight loss begins. This is where true body transformation begins. Without sugar running the show, blood sugar stabilizes, energy remains consistent, and hunger fades into the background. Many people realize they weren't even hungry most of the time. They were just addicted to the sugar highs and crashes. Now, with low-carb benefits kicking in, food becomes fuel, not an emotional crutch. But breaking the habit requires discipline. That piece of chocolate or just one bite of dessert might seem harmless, but it's enough to throw the body off track. The good news? Once sugar is out of the system, cravings disappear, and what once seemed irresistible starts looking like nothing more than a sugar trap. Ever notice how carb-heavy diets make people hungry all the time? That's because they cause constant blood sugar spikes and crashes, keeping the body in a cycle of craving more fuel. But on the carnivore diet, things change fast. With meals packed with protein and fat, satiety lasts for hours. Many people naturally start eating just 1 or 2 meals a day without even trying. This isn't forced fasting, it's just the body finally running efficiently, using stored fat and dietary fat for energy instead of demanding constant refueling. This shift is a game changer for fat loss and metabolism boost. Instead of worrying about 6 small meals or snacking all day, people experience real food freedom. There's no more "I have to eat every 3 hours" nonsense. Just long-lasting energy and 0 cravings. Some even find themselves unintentionally skipping meals because they simply don't feel hungry. And the best part? With fewer meals, insulin stays low. Burning fat fast becomes effortless, and the body keeps transforming with minimal effort. Most people don't realize how much excess water weight they're carrying until they start the carnivore diet. Carbs hold on to water, literally. For every gram of carbs stored in the body, several grams of water are retained. That's why bloating, puffiness, and swollen fingers are so common on high-carb diets. The moment carbs are removed, the body flushes out all that trapped water, leading to rapid weight loss in just the first few days. But this isn't just about looking leaner. It's about reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and allowing the body to function optimally. With water retention gone, fat burning kicks into high gear. The body isn't just shedding water, it's also switching into full-on fat loss mode. Many notice their face looks slimmer, their stomach deflates, and their joints feel better. This isn't magic. It's what happens when processed carbs and sugars are eliminated. Instead of holding on to unnecessary weight, the body starts using stored fat for fuel. This is where the real body transformation begins. Less bloating, more energy, and a metabolism that finally works in favor of fat burning instead of fat storing. The carnivore diet isn't just about rapid weight loss and fat loss. It comes with some surprises. The first shock? Endless energy. Many expect to feel sluggish without carbs. But once the body switches to fat as fuel, energy levels become incredibly stable. No more afternoon crashes, no more desperate coffee runs, just steady all-day power. Another unexpected perk? Mental clarity. With blood sugar stable and inflammation reduced, brain fog disappears, focus sharpens, and productivity skyrockets. Some even report feeling calmer and more in control, as if their mind is finally working the way it should. But not all surprises are pleasant. Some people experience bad breath at first, thanks to ketones being released as the body shifts to burning fat. Others notice they sleep less but wake up more refreshed, a sign their body is running efficiently. And then there's the body odor change. Some report a different scent as toxins are flushed out. It's all part of the body transformation process, and most of these quirks fade after a few weeks. In the end, the benefits far outweigh the weird adjustments, leaving people wondering why they didn't start sooner. When switching to the carnivore diet, people often lose a lot of water weight fast. While this is great for rapid weight loss, it also means electrolytes, sodium, potassium, and magnesium get flushed out. Without enough electrolytes, symptoms like headaches, dizziness, and muscle cramps can hit hard. That's why increasing water intake and adding salt to meals is non-negotiable. Unlike carb-heavy diets where the body retains water, a low-carb approach requires consciously replenishing fluids and minerals to keep everything running smoothly. A simple fix? Drink more and salt more. Many find they need at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day, sometimes more. Adding a pinch of salt to water, drinking bone broth, or taking an electrolyte supplement can prevent fatigue and keep energy levels high. When done right, this adjustment leads to better hydration, improved performance, and a metabolism that stays in fat loss mode without hitting roadblocks. The result? No sluggishness, no unnecessary suffering, just effortless adaptation and burning fat fast without setbacks. Adopting the carnivore diet can shake things up, literally. Some people experience diarrhea in the first week as their gut adjusts to burning fat instead of carbs. Others go in the opposite direction and feel constipated due to a lack of fiber. But here's the truth. The body doesn't actually need fiber to stay regular. Once digestion adapts, most people find that their bowel movements become less frequent but more efficient. No bloating, no urgency, just a clean system running on real fuel. The fix? Hydration and fat intake. If digestion feels off, increasing dietary fat, like ribeye, butter, or bone marrow, helps move things along. If diarrhea happens, adding salt and electrolytes can balance it out. The key is patience. The gut microbiome shifts, enzymes adjust, and within weeks, digestion stabilizes. And the best part? Without processed foods and fiber overload, people realize they feel lighter, less bloated, and more energized than ever before. It's all part of the body transformation process, another sign the system is adapting for the better. So now you know, rapid weight loss, insane energy, and total body transformation aren't just possible. They're inevitable when you fuel your body the right way. But here's the real question. Are you actually ready to break free from sugar addiction, constant hunger, and metabolic slowdowns? Because the carnivore diet isn't just a diet, it's a reset that forces your body to work the way it was designed to. Now it's up to you. Are you going to keep spinning your wheels with diets that leave you hungry and frustrated? Or are you ready to burn fat fast, boost your metabolism, and finally see real results? Drop a comment below. What part of the carnivore diet excites you the most? And if you're serious about transforming your body, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because this is just the beginning.